morning, students. Now, the last lecture you have to study global warming and the greenhouse effect in a climate change. Let us start. Today I am discuss with the second one part of the chapter, that is soil pollution. The soil is like water and air, equally important for living organisms. It supports plants on which all other living organisms depend. The process of soil formation is so slow that the soil is considered as a non-renewable sources. Therefore, the study and the control of soil pollution is important. Let us start the sources of soil pollution. There are several materials which adversely affect physical, chemical and biological properties of the soil and thus reduce its quality. These are the pesticides and insecticides that are sprayed on the crops. Second, fertilizers and the manures that are added to the soil to increase the crop yield. And the third one is over irrigation. Now, what is the effect of soil pollution? The productivity of soil is reduced due to the addition of harmful substances like chemicals, pesticides and the herbicides. The chemicals and pesticides affect the structure and fertility of the soil by killing the soil microorganisms. Faulty sanitations and unhygienic practices of the people add to the soil pollution. Pathogens present in a waste and excreta contaminates the soil and vegetable crops. Grown in that soil causes the disease in humans and the domesticated animals. Increase in the concentration of soluble salt is called the salinization. This adversely affects the quality and productivity of the soil. It takes place due to the accumulation of salts on soil surface and over irrigation. The saline soil becomes unfit for the growth of vegetation. Now, let us start the soil fertility rating. The soil fertility rating, available nutrient status in a soil, is generally classified as low, medium and the high, which are followed at the national level. Now let us see that the chart. In that chart, the different types of the soil nutrients are present and the soil fertility rating is divided into the low, medium and the high range. Let us start. First one, the organic carbon as measure of available nitrogen is present as soil nutrients. The fertility of the soil rating is low 0.5, medium 0.5 to 0.75 and the high 0.75. Second, the available nitrogen is present on soil nutrients. The fertility rate of the soil is 280, then the medium 280 to 560 and the high 560. Third one, available phosphorus in alkaline soil. The soil nutrients are present. The rate of soil fertility rating is low 10, medium 10 to 24.6 and the high is 24.6. Then the available potassium is present as soil nutrients. The rate of soil fertility is low 108, medium 108 to 280 and high is the 280. Now this is the different types of the soil fertility rating. Now let us start control of the soil pollution. Now there are various measures to control the soil pollution, like use of chemical fertilizers should be reduced by using the more of biofertilizers and the green manures. Use of pesticides can be reduced by adopting the biological control of pest. Use of cattle dung and agricultural waste in biogas plants should be encouraged, and the plantation can check the soil erosion to a great extent. In that, the proper disposal of the industrial and the agricultural wastage, then recycling and the recovery of the material, then minimize the manufacture and the use of chemical fertilizers and reduce the use of pesticides. These are the different control measures to control the soil pollution. Thank you.